Hey, what's up? You've caught me this morning on the way to work. Why don't you join me? We're on our way to a job in Luton. We're going to do a vinyl in a bathroom. So when we get there, we're going to prep the floor, as in take up the old vinyl, give the floor a good sweep, and measure and cut the vinyl. I've already been there and measured the job up, so I will just go in straight away and cut the vinyl, and then we'll start fitting it. If you have any questions about the job, please leave it in the comments down below. So what I like to do is use the straight edge on the vinyl and line it up with the straight edge in the bathroom. And then I work my way across the room from that point. We are using a contact adhesive on the floor today, and when you spray the floor, do remember to spray the back of the vinyl. It's the vinyl to adhere to the floor. Now the first cut I like to make is right in front of the toilet, and I like to make one straight cut. Making sure that the vinyl is making good contact with the floor, and then after that I do a series of relief cuts all the way around the bottom of the toilet. Now we're making our way around to the other side. As you can see, I'm holding the vinyl down to make sure that it's in contact with the floor as I make a series of relief cuts again. Checking to see how far around we've cut the slits. And then I repeat the process on the other side, and then I move across to the pedestal on the hand basin and I do the same thing. And the more relief cuts that you can make, the easier it is for you to cut the vinyl around the bottom of the toilet. I shall cut away the excess vinyl along the side of the bath. This is mainly so that I can see what I'm doing. I am just checking to make sure that the seam joins up behind the pedestal. You also do the same behind the toilet, because remember you made one straight cut in front and split the vinyl. So you now have to make sure that it closes up at the back. And now I'm just spraying the floor, spraying the back of the vinyl, and I shall push it down. If you have any questions about flooring, please leave it in the comments down below and I will try and answer you as best as I can. Now I'm going to make a V cut in the corner. Enables the vinyl to sit perfectly down into the corner. Incidentally, it's the same cut you use when you're fitting carpet. If you have any questions about the job, please leave it in the comments down below. And I think we've just about come to the end of this one. Thank you for watching. And as if by magic, we're all done.